Dia de nuvens no céu, trânsito do lado do chão, preso numa água cheia, na concha fugindo do som. Já à beira de sumir, afundo na maré que vem. O motorista me sorri e diz: viver pode ser simples, dia para ser feliz. Tirando um tempo só pra amor, é casa que perde pis. Ouvindo fim preto branco, e as nuvens a passar no céu flutuar. As coisas não vão se encaixar se você se cobrar demais. Deixe não se enganar, que assim vai dar. Então quando a coisa apertar, tudo estiver bom triste, lembre o que ele diz. Viver pode ser simples, dia para ser feliz. Tirando um tempo só pro amor, é canção que perde pis. Ouvindo um fim preto branco, é as nuvens a passar.
So after that really delicious filling brunch, we decided we wanted to go to Wax Factory. This is a really cool place, a cool spot that I would really recommend to anyone who is visiting Portugal, and you feel like you want a place to chill, hang out with your friends, just just let the evening flow. This is definitely the place to be. There are a few cafes, bars, restaurants. There is a restroom, I think, that all visitors use. That's like the down thing, but aside from that, oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. There are a few clothing stores, and it took us like 40 minutes, me and my sister, to get there because we just did not feel like taking the train, the bus, or the trams. So yeah, that's why we walked there, but it's absolutely worth a while to visit. And oh my gosh, is that restaurant really gorgeous. We will come back there later to have some drinks because we had to take like a round to see what's going on, what's here, what's the hype about. But it's definitely really pretty. So if you happen to be in Portugal, if you happen to be like in the Lisbon area, it doesn't take long. Just put on your walking shoes or whatever you have on and visit Wax Factory. So after this round trip of the area and just spotting where everything is, we decided to go back to the first restaurant to get some drinks, some snacks or some food. I decided to get avocado salmon salad, was it? And I like this idea of them putting the salad in a jar because I feel like that is very genius. So I had the salad, very delicious. The avocado was yum to the notch, and the salmon, no words, so good. So if I find this restaurant again, I'll just link it for you guys in the description box below. And after having like these drinks and lunch, we decided to go to Belem because it was like in the area. So we decided like, hey, let's just go there. It wasn't far. So after that, we went to Belem. The weather wasn't like really nice when we got there. It was a little bit kind of cold, but still a really good time to visit. the plan is to go and see the Belem Tower and like the one thing, I don't know what it's called exactly, but it's also like a historical thing. So that is the plan, eat the pie stage, and I have to go to the toilet as soon as possible. So yes, that is the plan. And that is the Belem Tower right there. We're going. Oh my god, the stairs. Whew. And yesterday we were right there, like on the bridge, and now today we're here. So after the tower, we then decided to have the pastéis de nata. This is really so popular, and we hadn't had this till day 2, but it was good for me. But my sister wasn't a fan really, so I ate hers. Yeah. This evening was one of the hardest ever since we visited Lisbon. This was when we were looking for food, and this is because it was in the evening and the restaurants in Lisbon, they open late. Because like here, like maybe where I live, we have like our dinner supper is like at 5 in the evening, 5, 6, and there they open their restaurants late because they eat late. So we were here looking for restaurants all over. My sister hadn't had anything to eat. She just tried the pastéis and it wasn't like really for her. I had the salad and Lax Factory and the pastéis, but for me too, I was starving. So that was what we were trying to get to a restaurant, have some food, and be done with the day, because at this point we were really we're just walking. And you know, Lisbon is just full of hills. You're just on hills the whole time. You're just going up or going down. That's it. There is no flat. So that was our main problem, but hey, we happened to get one.
Dia de nuvens no céu, trânsito adolando o chão, preso numa água cheia, na concha fugindo do som. Já à beira de sumir, afundo na maré que vem. Feliz, tirando tempo sobre a mão, e cansa que perepis, movendo fim preto branco, e as nuvens a passar no seu flutuar. As coisas não vão se encaixar se você se cobrar demais. Deixe não se enganar, que assim vai dar. Então quando a coisa aperta e tudo estiver por triz, lembre o que ele diz. Viver pode ser simples, dia para ser feliz, tirando tempo sobre a mão, cansa que perepis, vendo fim preto branco, e as nuvens a passar